Hi and welcome back to Mystery Systems. Today we will be looking at how you can make a simple EIGRP configuration with one AS number, and this is my topology in Packet Tracer, and I have already set all the things that needs to be set as usual, and now I would like to go through the configuration with you. As you can see, I have given all the routers their host name, and I've given the selected IP addresses on the interfaces. Then we come to where the EIGRP magic is going to happen. Here we want to start this EIGRP in the router, and I've chosen to use an AS number of 1 on all the routers, and on all routers I have set this command so we do not have any accidental interfaces that uses the routing protocol without our knowledge. So we shut down all the interfaces so they are passive, and then we specify ourselves which interfaces we would like to have EIGRP operating on. And this is router 1, so it's on this interface. And I have given it a router ID, easier to identify it then, and the network that it's advertising. Actually, I just found out a mistake that I have done in the configuration. I have actually given all the routers the same router ID, but that has been changed now. It was a major mistake, but it's changed now on all the routers. Do not give them the same router ID in the same EIGRP, because then it's going to be a hell to identify which is the real router. And yeah, do that. And just, yeah, it was maybe a bit rushed this time with the configuration, but how about we just proceed? That's what happens sometimes. Luckily, always when you know, then you can always undo the mistake and make it good again. But of course, everything has been set, and now I would actually like to show you that the configuration is working, as well as I will put the configuration down in the description of the video again so you can use it. So now we are here at router 4 in the topology that I've made here in Packet Tracer. I will just do like this so we can see a little bit more. And I want to show the IP routes, so it should know about the 10.2.2.0 and the 10.1.1.0. Let's see, and it sure does. Here are the routes that has been learned through EIGRP, and the D is this what is EIGRP learned routes, as you can see up here. And that's about it. We can just check one more. What about router 1? You can already see here it has form adjacencies. But let's just see if we can do show IP route. So it has learned about the 10.2.2.0 network and the 10.3.3.3.0. So that's about it. A very quick tutorial or simple configuration on how you can make this. I hope it helps, and I hope to see you in my next video as well. Bye.